In this video, we will see how to upload your code to GitHub. So there are multiple ways using which you can upload your code to GitHub. Just to name a few, you can directly start creating a new file here, or you can upload an existing file, or you can use command prompt to upload your files to GitHub using the Git commands. Or there are some dedicated softwares, and one GitHub provides. So using those softwares, you can upload your code to GitHub. So obviously we'll see everything in future, but right now we will see how to upload an existing file to GitHub. So only thing that you have to do is once you are here, you can go and click on upload an existing file. Upon this, you'll just have to choose your files from here. Okay, so I'll just go here, or maybe I'll just go to, okay, I'll just select a file here, any file, hello world.cpp. Okay, I'll just add files to upload. So here you have to commit the changes. Okay, so we are adding a new change to our repository, so we have to add the change. So I'll just write here hello world program. Okay, and alternatively, if you want, you can add a description like hello world program description. Okay, okay, I'm bad with spellings. Okay, it was a grammatical suggestion. Okay, so I'll just click on commit changes. Okay, so see, once we uploaded the file, you can see that your new file has been added here. Similarly, if you want to add more files, you can just go and click on add a file button here and click on upload file. Okay, again same process, choose your file. I'll go and choose a new file. Okay, I chose the new file that was of cpp, and I'll say class and object. Okay, crip. Okay, now you'll see something here that commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch for this commit and start the pull request. So for now, let's stick to commit directly to the main branch. We will see how to create a new branch and create a pull request, everything in future. Okay, I'll commit the changes. Okay, and now as you can see, these are the files that we have just uploaded. Okay, now if you want to share these files with someone, there's a very simple way. Either you can just copy this GitHub repo and you can send over to to anybody. So during the creation of this repo, we already saw why we made this GitHub repo public. So if anybody if you share this with anybody, they can directly see it. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.